What's the coolest tech right now in October 2025? Here's a crazy stat for you. By 2025, more than 75% of households worldwide are now using at least one form of smart AI-driven technology. That's right, from smart glasses to AI assistants, tech has never been more integrated into our lives. But here's the real question. What's the absolute coolest tech right now in October 2025? Join me as I dive into the latest gadgets and breakthroughs to uncover the top 5 coolest innovations of the month. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Technology is moving faster than ever. Every single month, new gadgets, new software, and new AI tools are reshaping how we live, work, and play. But let's be real, keeping up with it all can feel overwhelming. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose of information. That's why today, I am breaking it all down for you, the 5 coolest tech innovations in October 2025 that are absolutely worth your attention. We're going to sift through the noise and find the real game changers. So, let's get right into it. First on the list, AI Smart Glasses 2.0. Now, forget those bulky headsets from a few years ago. These new glasses are so lightweight and stylish, you'd barely notice you're wearing a piece of advanced tech. But here's the magic. They project real-time translations, your health stats, and even our navigation directly into your field of view. Imagine walking through a city like Tokyo or Rome and instantly seeing directions overlaid on the streets, restaurant reviews popping up as you pass by, and even your meeting reminders appearing discreetly in the corner of your vision, all completely hands-free. It's like having Google, Siri, and Chat combined right on your face. This isn't just about convenience, it's about seamlessly blending the digital and physical worlds in a way we've only ever seen in movies. Coming in at number 2, next-gen electric vehicle batteries. Range anxiety. Consider it a thing of the past. In October 2025, several automakers finally unveiled their long-awaited solid-state batteries. And they are a total game changer. These new power packs are capable of charging an electric car to 80% in just 10 minutes. Let that sink in. The time it takes you to grab a coffee, your car is almost fully charged. This incredible breakthrough means not only longer ranges and faster charging but also safer EVs, as solid-state batteries are less prone to overheating. We are getting closer and closer to a world where gas stations might just become relics of a bygone era. The electric revolution is officially in overdrive. Third on our list is something truly personal. Apple's new personal AI companion, announced just a few weeks ago at their fall event. This isn't your typical voice assistant. This is something else entirely. It's designed to learn your habits, anticipate your needs, and even hold surprisingly human-like conversations. Think of it as Siri 3.0 but far more intuitive, incredibly adaptive, and almost emotional in its responses. It can schedule meetings by understanding the context of your emails, suggest dinner recipes based on the groceries it knows you just bought, and even offer words of encouragement when it detects stress in your voice. With the power of Apple's entire ecosystem behind it, this AI could fundamentally redefine how we interact with our technology on a daily basis, making it a true partner in our lives. Number 4 is where things get really futuristic, medical nanobots. I know, it sounds like something straight out of a science fiction blockbuster, right? But in October 2025, this technology moved from the realm of theory to reality. We just saw the first successful human clinical trials where nanobots were used to target and destroy cancer cells with pinpoint accuracy, leaving healthy cells untouched. Imagine tiny, programmable robots, smaller than a blood cell, swimming through your bloodstream, repairing damage at the cellular level. This could be the beginning of a complete revolution in healthcare, leading to treatments for diseases that were once considered incurable. It's a profound leap forward for humanity. And finally, at number 5, we have quantum computing cloud services. Now, this might sound a bit abstract, but its impact is going to be massive. This month, major cloud providers like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft have opened up access to their quantum processors for mainstream developers. What does this mean? It means that startups, university researchers, And even hobbyist coders can now harness a level of computing power that was once reserved for elite, multi-billion-dollar labs. From creating hyper-accurate climate models and discovering new medicines to training next-generation AI, the possibilities are genuinely limitless. Democratizing quantum computing could accelerate breakthroughs across every single industry at a speed we've never seen before. So, with all these incredible advancements, which one is the most groundbreaking? It's a tough call, but for me, it has to be the medical nanobots. While smart glasses and AI companions will definitely change our lifestyles, nanobots have the potential to literally save millions of lives and eradicate diseases. That is more than just cool tech, that is humanity fundamentally rewriting the rules of medicine and biology. It's a technology that offers hope on a global scale. So, to recap, the coolest tech of October 2025 includes the incredibly seamless AI Smart Glasses 2.0, the game-changing next-gen of batteries, Apple's deeply intuitive personal AI companion, the life-saving medical nanobots, and the paradigm shift in quantum computing cloud services. Each of these innovations shows just how fast the future is unfolding and why staying informed is more important than ever. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these technologies blew your mind the most? Which one are you most excited to see become a part of our world? Drop your favorite in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you love exploring the future of innovation as much as I do, be sure to check out my next video on the tech skills you need to learn in 2025. I'll link it right here on the screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a peek into tomorrow's world today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.